Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you how to open and sign up new Google Analytics accounts. Guys, usually Google Analytics account is under your Google Ads account, right guys? Because you know that when it comes to need of Google Analytics account, when we need to analysis our data, like from which country they are browsing on our website, from which device they are browsing on our website. So that's why we usually use Google Analytics accounts. Guys, you need to click on the tools and setting, and when you click on it, in the third number of option measurement, you will see the second number option, Google Analytics. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you another window, this type of window. So guys, if you not sign up it before, click on set up for free. So it will take you to another window. There you need to name your analytics account, right? So whatever you want, because many people have many website, many businesses, so they usually use under one analytics account. So that's why we need to put here our the company name of which we are, from where we want to track our data. So let's say our company name is, or our website, our product, our service name is ABC. So guys, check all these options as it is. Don't touch here any of these options. These are the important things that we need to follow. So click the next and name your property whatever you can call it. So I gonna say it, create a Google Analytics for property of my year. So you can say my home improvement business. So it will help us in the future to understand our stuff. So guys, then click show advanced option. Guys, click show advanced option. Before click on next, click on show advanced option. This is much important step that we need to take, and then check this button and turn on this button, and then enter your website name, whatever, abc.com, right? Whatever your website name is. And guys, then another important step, guys, another important step, because this is the new Google Analytics 4 setting that usually mostly people do not understand how to use it. So guys, uncheck the both options and check here, and check the second number option, create a universal analytics property only. Guys, then click next and then enter some small detail of your business, whatever is it, right? If it helps, you can check on it and tell Google what's the size of your company, and then tell him what you want to measure. So usually we check all these options except the other and measure app installed. So usually I never saw that any people who promoting their app. That's why usually uncheck the measure app installed, so we don't need to talk too much about on it. So guys, once you check all these options, click the create. So you are good to go. Before it, you need to accept the terms and conditions, because every big company have a big terms and condition, and we need to accept it in order to use their product. So guys, once you accept it, they're gonna instantly approve your account, right? So this is the account that you are created, right? So this is the account that you are created. It will show the above side of option, right? So guys, this is your Google Analytics account that you successfully sign up, right guys? So this is the step we need to sign up for Google Analytics account. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related it, guys, feel free to ask me. Thank you.